Hey guys, it's Anna and welcome back to another video of mine and my craft update number 2. So I don't know if you guys actually liked my last craft update, but even if you don't, here I am doing it because I want to. But anyways, for today's craft update, it's basically, if you guys didn't watch the last one or you don't know what a craft update is, I basically just tell you guys a bunch of things that are a bunch of crafts that I've been making in the past month or past few months. This one is basically like since the last video that I did. These are the crafts from then to now, if that makes sense. Anyways, let's just go ahead and get started. So starting off with these are just a bunch of hand-painted prints that I just have been painting. It's mixed media. It's basically watercolors mixed with pencil crayons. A little plug-in like I always have. These are actually on sale on my Depop for $2 so check it out. So if y'all want to check these prints out, make sure to check them out. So basically I've just got a donut, a popsicle, another donut, a cupcake, and an ice cream. By the way, this is actually not really like my style, like my typical style that I draw with and sketch with. It was actually inspired by Kendall Hilligus, and she is actually a Etsy seller. And I really wanted to show you guys and plug this into this craft update because I thought you guys would be super interested. Basically, a little backstory, basically she bought a few scrunchies off of my Depop shop. And then after she received them and everything, she was like, these are great, you should definitely open up an Etsy shop if you're considering. And I'm like, oh, I don't know. And then she was like, oh, I also have an Etsy shop and it is Kendall Hilligus. And she sells a bunch of these amazing prints. And I was like, that's great. And she was like, hey, why not I just send you a few prints just for fun? And I'm like, oh my gosh, that would be great. So she did send me these and I just wanted to show you guys because this is what really inspired me. Like after I received them, she really inspired me to do these prints. So that's why I'm showing you guys. So basically we've got a strawberry, a apple pie, a milkshake, and an apple. And then she also just sent some stickers. She sent this grilled cheese sticker and this ice cream sticker, and I actually already used the ice cream sticker. I just have it on my phone here and it's very, very cute. I also have a few prints at the back here for myself just because I need this art. I felt like this art corner needed a little bit something, and it's just an avocado and a sugar cookie. So yeah. And now moving on to sewn products, kind of my sort of primary sewing or art media kind of thing. Primary art media that I work with, which is sewing. I've just got this really beautiful wrap top, and I use the same fabric that I made with a top from the last craft update, if you guys do remember. And I don't know, I think that it's just really nice. I just saw it on like I saw someone selling something similar on Depop. I really liked it, but I was like, yeah, I don't know if I want to spend money. So I'm like, hey, why not? Let's make it. Yeah, this is the top, and yeah, obviously I'm not planning on wearing this alone. I'm planning on layering it on top of like a nice tank top or something, just for a little pizzazz to my outfits. Yeah, and then last but not least is an embroidered piece, and this is a t-shirt. It's just a plain black t-shirt that has the embroidery of "How you doing?" Because if you guys don't know, this is from Friends. It's like Joey from Friends' catchphrase that he always says, and it's like my favorite one because Joey is my favorite Friends character. I mean, I love all of them, but like, you know, he's my favorite. So yeah, I just have this. I think it looks really cool, and yeah, I'm really proud of it. So yeah. So that's about it that I did for the past 2 months. That's all the crafts. Not as many as last video, but I hope you guys still liked it. And yeah, so make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and share with family and friends. And ciao!
You won't admit you love me, and so how am I ever to know? You always tell me